In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho Mail. Adding a signature saves time and keeps your emails looking consistent and professional. By the end, you'll know how to create a polished signature and insert it into a message whenever you need it, all within a couple of clicks. First, open the Zoho Mail homepage and sign in so you're at your inbox. From here, look for the settings icon, usually a small gear in the top corner of the interface. Go ahead and click it. Settings is where Zoho groups all of the personal and account level options, and the signature tools live here as well. If your screen layout looks a little different, that's okay. The gear icon is your anchor, and once you open it, you'll see familiar categories. Inside Settings, locate the Signature area. Click Signature to open the Signature Manager. This page lists any signatures you've already created, and it's where you'll add new ones and make edits later on. If your account has multiple email addresses or you plan to use different sign-offs for different scenarios, this central spot is where you'll keep them organized. To create a new one, click the plus sign to add a signature. Zoho will ask you for a signature name first. Think of this as a label for your own reference, something short and clear that helps you pick it from a list later, like Standard, Support, or Sales. With the name set, move down into the main editor, which is the body of your signature. Type the text you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. Keep it concise and readable. You can use the formatting toolbar to adjust font style, size, or color, add separators, or include your job role, company, and other professional details. If you add links, for example to your website or social profiles, use the link tool so they're clickable. You can also insert a small logo or image if that suits your brand. Aim for a design that looks good on both desktop and mobile, and avoid cramming in too much information. Short, scannable, and consistent usually works best. When you're happy with the content and formatting, click Update to save your new signature. This commits your changes and returns you to the signature list so you know it's stored and ready to use. Now let's see it in action. Head back to your mail homepage to reach the inbox again, then start a new message by clicking New Mail. Compose your email as you normally would. When you're ready to add the signature, open the More Options menu in the Composer, the icon with 3 dots. From that menu, choose Signature. You'll see the name you gave your signature in the list. Click the one you want to insert, and Zoho will drop it right into your message at the cursor. If it lands in the wrong spot, just place your cursor where you want it and insert again, or cut and paste it within the message. Before you send, give the layout a quick glance to make sure spacing, links, and any images look correct. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the Signature Manager later to tweak the design, then click Update again to save your changes. And that's it. You've created a reusable signature in Zoho Mail and learned how to add it to any email on demand. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you set up your own signature so you can follow along step by step.